Hi, in this video, I'm explaining how to use a secure socket application. Till now, I have imported all the required modules for the server application, including the SSL sockets and the requests. Firstly, I'm just defining my context. In order to do that, I have used this code line, which is nothing but a which is nothing but an SSL context using the TLS server protocol. And later, uh, I'll use the port as a command line option, and if a user specifies a port number, it will be saved in the port variable, or else the program will be using the 8080 as the default port. Now my certificate files are loaded, which I prepared using the Python software PKI helpers. As I, I mean, as I have a certificate authority and the client software uses the self-signed public key, I should have a private and a public key pair with me now that I have completed this course in order to access the program that the lecturer has advised. The certificate authority's public key. To make a certificate signing request, I first need to generate a server private key, which is named as Tejasvi, and then I have to use that private key to generate the CSR. Coming to the secret key for the server, um, I'll sign the CSR with my CA public and private keys, and then the server public key will be generated. After that, I have defined my socket with features like INET, which means that I have created a socket that can be suitable for IPv4 and IPv6 IP addresses, type of IP addresses. And I have also added some features like it can reuse the addresses in the below line, and after going into the while loop, I'm just accepting for the connections. First, after defining my socket itself, I bind my socket to the localhost server and with the port as 8080. So now I'll be listening for client requests from my server program, and if any, I'll just pass that request to the method, and from there I'll just segregate all the headers and the other stuff, and from that get method or post method, I'll just take the actions. Like if the client requests a file or something, I'll just go to the into the HTTP handle function, and from there I'll show up the data whatever it is there. Coming to the client program, I have imported few modules, and here is the line of code that implements the get requests. Like to the server, I have mentioned my server address and the port as well. So I have verified that with the some other CA public keys that was generated using the PKI helpers Python program. So after that, I'll just show like how I'm operating server, and uh, I'll be executing the client in the meantime. I'll just open my Wireshark and capture those packets. Now I'm opening my Wireshark and capturing those packets, and we'll just filter the packets with TLS keyword to the filter, so that only TLS handshake messages will be coming. Because the protocol is based on the handshake method, the client will be saying hello to the server, and the server will be reacting to with a hello message again back, which we can see on the Wireshark screen. Um, Indicating that our secure socket software in Python has been successfully built. So that's all there is to it for my program. That's it. Thank you.